Good morning, Miss Kathryn. How are you doing? My name is Julius Anderson. This is Tameron Honda. I will be your true car auto buying specialist on your 2019 Honda Odyssey journey. Thank you so much for your interest. The Odyssey, we call it the space shuttle. There's a lot of bells and whistles. Honda sensing is going to come with power everything, power lift gate. It's going to give you a 9-inch display screen, a push button transmission. It's just a whole lot of good things that come along with the Odyssey. I can't really share it in a short video. Give me a call, 205-835-7435, or shoot me a text if that's going to be an easier way for you to communicate. This is Julius. This is Tameron Honda. We are the largest volume dealer in the state. Give me a call. Thank you so much for your interest. And here at Tameron, we guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated.